I prepare a sentence in my mind, but it disappears. Hello, and welcome to another episode of English with Altaf. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very common problem English learners face. Many students say, I prepare a sentence in my mind, but it disappears when I try to speak. Yes, we understand this issue. We will explain why this happens and how to fix it. Stay with us and let's solve this problem together. Have you ever made a sentence in your head and felt ready to speak, but when it was your turn, the sentence just vanished? You are not alone. This happens to many learners, even if they know vocabulary and grammar. So today, we will talk about the reasons behind this and how we can improve this situation step by step. One reason this happens is nervousness. When we are under pressure, our brain gets confused and forgets what it had planned. It's like your brain has written the sentence on a whiteboard, but suddenly someone comes and erases it. Another reason is a lack of confidence. When we are not confident, we start doubting our own sentence. We think, what if this is wrong? Or, what if someone laughs at me? Because of this overthinking, the sentence disappears. Also, some people do not practice speaking enough. They only think in their mind but never try to speak aloud. So when they try to speak, their mouth and tongue are not ready to form the sentence. That's why it disappears before coming out. To fix this, first, you need to relax. Take a deep breath. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. What's important is that you try. Another useful tip is shadowing. Listen to native speakers and repeat after them. This helps your brain and mouth to connect. Your mind will learn how to turn thoughts into speech quickly. Let's say you want to say, I went to the market yesterday. First, you think this in your head. Now, try to say it out loud. Say it again and again. Record yourself if you want. By repeating, your brain becomes faster and more confident. You can also talk to yourself in English. For example, when you wake up in the morning, say, I am brushing my teeth now. Or, I will make breakfast. These small sentences help your brain get used to forming sentences on the spot. Another reason sentences disappear is because learners try to make perfect sentences. They think too much about grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation all at once. That's too much pressure. Instead, focus on fluency first. Make simple sentences and speak clearly. You can improve grammar later. Now let's listen to Altaf. He will share some real examples and give more helpful ideas.
Thank you, Iqra. Yes, this problem is very real. I have met many students who say, I had a sentence in my mind, but when I started speaking, I forgot it. This happens because the brain and mouth are not trained to work together. Let me give you an example. If you think of the sentence, I want to improve my English, but don't say it aloud, your mouth stays silent. So next time, when you try to say it, your mouth hesitates and the sentence disappears. To stop this from happening, practice speaking every day. Speak to a friend, a mirror, or even a mobile camera. Also, make speaking a habit. You can start by talking for just 1 minute a day. Then slowly increase it to 5 minutes. Talk about your day, your plans, your thoughts, anything. This daily habit will make your brain more active and responsive. Another tip is to use cue cards. Write small topics on paper like my favorite food or what I did yesterday. Pick one card and speak about it for 2 minutes. This helps you to think fast and express your ideas without forgetting. Don't worry about being perfect. The goal is to speak and express. Your fluency will come with time. Also, don't be silent for too long during conversations. If your sentence disappears, say something simple like, let me think, or I forgot for a moment. This will give you a few seconds to relax and remember your sentence. Let me also share a powerful practice technique. It's called Think in English. Don't think in your native language first and then translate. Instead, try to create your thoughts in English directly. For example, instead of thinking, मैं बाजार गया था, and then translating it, just think, I went to the market. This will make your sentence appear faster, and it won't disappear. Here's another example. When you're walking, think, I'm walking on the road. If you're eating, think, I'm eating rice. These small practices train your brain to stay in English mode. Then, when you talk to someone, your sentences will be ready and won't vanish. Also, use simple words. Sometimes people try to use difficult vocabulary to sound smart, but this can make you forget your sentence. Instead, use easy and clear words. For example, don't say, I am overwhelmed with academic responsibilities. Just say, I have too much schoolwork. Simple is better. You can also use apps or voice notes. Record your thoughts daily. Later, listen to them. This will help you hear your mistakes and understand how to improve. And remember, confidence is the key. If you are confident, you will speak. Even if the sentence is not perfect, it's okay. Confidence makes your sentence strong. Lack of confidence makes it disappear.
So today we talked about a big problem in learning English. When we prepare a sentence, but it disappears before we say it. We explained many reasons why this happens. We also gave you simple and effective solutions.
Yes, we shared tips like daily practice, thinking in English, using shadowing, and avoiding overthinking. We also reminded you not to focus too much on being perfect. Just speak. Practice and confidence will bring fluency.
Thank you for watching this video on English with Altaf. We hope these tips will help you speak more confidently without forgetting your sentences.
Keep watching, keep learning, and remember, your English will improve step by step. Good luck and see you in the next video.